We all die. You either kill yourself or get killed.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Miss Keisha. Miss Keisha. Miss Keisha. Oh my fucking god, she fucking dead.
Kelly Collin, run in here and come get y'all juice. Shit.
So I'm sitting there, barbecue sauce on my titties.
Dear Diary, today I couldn't find my diary, so I'm writing this on both of my Kung Fu Panda 2 DVDs.
I just got a random burst of energy, and I think it's my body's last hurrah before it completely shuts down.
Mom, can we stop at McDonald's?
Jessica, I'm making dinner at home. I hate this fucking family.
You either buckle down and do your work, or you'll end up at McDonald's.
We going to McDonald's if I don't do my work?
No.
Hey, bro, are you high?
Why are we going so fucking fast, nigga?
We stop though.
Yeah, whoa!
Hey guys, I'm really sad.
You know what you could be for Halloween yet? I have no idea. How do you not know already? Frank, what do you could be for Halloween? Fucking ladybug. Damn right you are, Frank.
Chris, what's up, dog?
You pretty drunk?
Jumping off the roof.
Really?
What?
Whoa, no,
Dude, what?
no,
Chris,
no
what the
way.
hell? No, Chris!